Ever heard of proteins being referred to as the building blocks of life? Wondering why they hold such an important title? Well, proteins are more than just a buzzword in the health and fitness world. They are, in fact, one of the most crucial macronutrients necessary for our survival. They wear many hats, playing a myriad of roles in our bodies, from providing structural support to facilitating enzymatic activity. When you think about it, proteins are kind of like the multitaskers of the human body. They are the sturdy scaffolding that holds us together, the diligent workers that keep our bodily functions running smoothly, and the vigilant guards that protect us from disease. Intrigued? I can tell you're ready to learn more. So let's delve deeper and understand how proteins work and why they are so crucial. Have you ever wondered what gives our body its structure and strength? It's the proteins, the unsung heroes of our body, that serve this fundamental role. They are the building blocks for tissues, organs, muscles, bones, skin, hair, and even our nails. Let's consider collagen, for instance. It's a protein that lends structural support to our skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Without collagen, our skin would lose its elasticity and our bones, their strength. Then we have muscle proteins, such as actin and myosin. These proteins are the powerhouses behind every muscle contraction and movement. They work in harmony, allowing us to perform simple tasks such as lifting a cup of coffee, to more complex ones like running a marathon. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember that it's the proteins working tirelessly behind the scenes, providing structure and strength to every part of your body. Thus, proteins are the backbone of our physical structure. Did you know that proteins also act as our body's little workers, facilitating chemical reactions and sending messages? This is where enzymes and hormones come into play. Enzymes, which are proteins, act like biological catalysts. They speed up chemical reactions in our bodies, helping to break down nutrients for energy and build essential molecules. Digestive enzymes like amylase, protease, and lipase are excellent examples of this, aiding in the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in our digestive system. But wait, there's more. Proteins also function as hormones, serving as chemical messengers that regulate various physiological processes. Insulin, a protein hormone, plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Growth hormone, another protein, promotes growth and development. So you see, proteins are not just building blocks, they're also the facilitators and communicators within our bodies. Without proteins, our body's communication and metabolism would be severely disrupted. Imagine proteins as the transport system and security guards of our body. Intriguing, isn't it? Picture this: you take a deep breath. The oxygen you inhale doesn't just magically appear in your cells. It's the protein hemoglobin found in red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to each and every cell in your body. But proteins don't stop at transport. They're also our body's storekeepers, hoarding essential nutrients and ions for later use. Think of them as your personal pantry, stocked with everything you need for a healthy body. And when it comes to protection, proteins are front and center. They're the knights in shining armor of our immune system, fighting off invaders like viruses, bacteria, and toxins. Antibodies, for instance, are specialized proteins that recognize these foreign invaders and neutralize them, safeguarding our health. Proteins, therefore, are our body's transporters, storekeepers, and protectors. Proteins also play a role in maintaining our body's balance and regulating our genes. Let's dive first into proteins' role in fluid balance. Picture a busy city, with traffic flowing smoothly thanks to well-placed stoplights and traffic wardens. Similarly, in our body, proteins help regulate the movement of water and electrolytes across cell membranes, maintaining a stable internal environment. Albumin, a protein found in our blood plasma, is a key player in this process. It's like a traffic warden, ensuring that the fluid doesn't leak from our blood vessels into surrounding tissues. It does this by maintaining osmotic pressure, a function that's essential for our overall hydration and nutrient transport. Moving on, proteins also serve as buffers, keeping our body's pH levels in check. Imagine a teeter-totter on a playground. It requires balance to function, right? Our body's pH is similar. It needs to stay within a narrow range to support proper physiological function. Buffer proteins help maintain this balance. They can accept or release hydrogen ions, subtly adjusting pH levels in our blood, tissues, and cellular compartments. Just like a child shifting their weight on a teeter-totter to maintain balance. Lastly, proteins play a crucial role in gene expression and regulation, essentially controlling our genetic destiny. Transcription factors and RNA-binding proteins are two key examples. Picture them as a film director and scriptwriter, respectively. The transcription factors, like a director, control the transcription of DNA into messenger RNA. Meanwhile, the RNA-binding proteins, akin to scriptwriters, influence the translation of this messenger RNA into proteins. Through this process, proteins control cellular processes and determine cell fate, orchestrating the symphony of life at a molecular level. So, proteins are the unsung heroes, maintaining our body's balance and controlling our genetic destiny. To wrap it up, proteins are more than just nutrients. They play an indispensable role in our bodies, serving as the building blocks for tissues, organs, muscles, and bones. They function as enzymes and hormones, facilitating chemical reactions and regulating physiological processes. Proteins are also involved in transport and storage, carrying vital molecules throughout the body and storing essential nutrients for future use. They contribute significantly to our immune function, neutralizing foreign invaders to defend against infections and diseases. They maintain our body's fluid balance and pH levels, ensuring that our physiological functions run smoothly. Moreover, proteins are key players in gene expression and regulation, controlling cellular processes and determining cell fate. A diet rich in high-quality protein sources is crucial, not only for maintaining overall health, but also for supporting growth and development, repairing tissues, and ensuring optimal physiological function. So, don't underestimate the power of proteins. They are truly the building blocks of life.